Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kylie, and as you see, I got a dog bed right next to my bed. Right next to my bed. Well, it's on my bed because someone is added to our family. Come on, boy. This is my new dog. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face is really showing, and you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Let me show you. I'm going to show you a tour of my dog's stuff. So, this is his blanket and pillow. If you're wondering why we have that there, it's because there was like bugs on the wall, so I had to clean it with Raid. This is his very fluffy bed. He loves it. Now let me put him on it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Isn't he so cute when he yawns? I'll show you what he looks like when he's asleep. Once he goes to sleep. Okay, so this is his favorite stuffed animal. It's very huge. And this is his pepperonis. This is his pet. This is his toy fox. He doesn't like it. We have some of these. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Look at his nose. He has a heart-shaped nose. There was another one, but I didn't like it. My dad got the dog for my birthday, and it was so worth it because he sacrificed all of his money for that dog. And then we have this thing. We have this. And we named his name Snowball. Isn't that right, Snowball? Come on, Snowball. Come on. Okay, so, oof. We also got him this leash. We don't have a collar yet. And if you wonder why he's walking in the bathroom, it's because we got him a puppy pad on the floor, those bowls, and a milk. We always give him milk after when it's like nighttime. And also he loves milk. So that was the end of my tour, my new puppy. See you in my next video. Bye.